just taking a walk.
What a nice afternoon. Let's go right down here next to the sage tree and take a nap.
Oh, look, it is a lion.
I see you, mouse. Now I got you, and I will eat you up.
Oh, please, let me go. I did not mean to wound you. Please, do not eat me. I'll be your friend, and someday I can help you.
Ha ha ha! How could you help me, a little tiny party creature like you? Couldn't help possibly a huge beast like me.
Please, great king, do not eat me.
Mouse was very afraid, but Lion thought about what he should do.
I'm sorry, Mr. Sleeper. You would just go then. Be careful and do not wake the cat. Next time I will be not too kind, as some kind.
I will be careful, Lion. You are very kind, and I will be your friend and repay you someday.
Mouse was very relieved as he ran away. Lion lay down to take a nap. Not long after that,
I need to lunch it. What is this? Oh no, I'm trapped. Roar, roar,
Is that the lion's roar?
roar, roar. How did you know? I was afraid I won't escape this net.
Lion was trying to get out of the net when Mouse came running up to him.
I am here, Lion, to help you. Do not worry. I will soon have you out of that net.
The net is loose. I am free.
There you are. I told pay you back someday. Do not didn't die.
Right. I didn't think it was possible a tiny creature like you look again a beast like me.
Everything is possible, Lion.
The moral of the story is kindness, no matter how small, is never wasted. So it pays to be kind or what